Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Columbus, where we talk all things outdoor living for Central Ohio homes. Today, we're going over how to get your deck or porch ready for winter. When the days get shorter and colder, it's easy to stop thinking about your deck. But a little time spent before winter can save you from bigger problems in the spring. Let's walk through a simple checklist you can follow without special tools. First, give the surface a basic cleaning. Sweep off leaves, dirt, and debris from your deck boards, porch flooring, and any steps. Organic material holds moisture, and held-in moisture is tough on both wood and composite. If you can, rinse the surface on a mild day and let it dry. You don't have to do a heavy wash, but you want to remove anything that will trap water or grow mildew over the winter. Next, look for small repairs. Walk the deck slowly and feel for loose boards, raised fasteners, or soft spots. Test the railings and stairs to make sure they feel solid. Fixing a loose board or tightening hardware now is much easier than dealing with a larger problem after freeze-thaw cycles have made things worse. Take a look around the edges and underneath if you can. You're checking for places where water might pool, gaps that are clogged, or spots where soil or mulch is pressed right up against the wood. Good drainage matters year-round, but it's especially important before winter. Standing water near posts and footings can cause damage over time. Now think about what stays on the deck. Heavy planters, rugs, and some types of outdoor furniture can trap moisture or stain boards, especially on wood decks. It's usually better to move those items off the surface or shift them occasionally so the boards can dry. Grills should be kept stable and, if possible, covered, but make sure covers don't trap water against the deck. If you have a covered porch, don't assume it's fully protected. Snow and rain can still blow in from the sides, and exposed edges can take a beating. Check those areas for wear just like you do on open decks. If you're thinking about converting a porch into a more enclosed space later, this is a good time to look at the structure and see how it's holding up. For both wood and composite decks, winter is a test. Wood that is already cracking or unprotected can worsen as moisture gets in and freezes. Composite won't rot in the same way, but the framing underneath is still typically wood, and it needs protection too. Keeping things clean and well-drained is one of the best ways to help your structure last. At Tough Deck Builders Columbus, we design and build decks and porches with local weather in mind, from footing depth to framing details. If you'd like help checking your outdoor spaces before winter, or you want to plan a renovation while things are quieter outside, you can reach us at 641-4686 or visit toughdeckbuilderscolumbus.com. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Columbus. A bit of attention now can help your deck or porch stand strong through the cold months and be ready when you're ready to step back outside.